Iyang kasalelye o parakak Pohnpei ko. Yet Rongen Weeket nan Pohnpei State Legislature. Program watch kun kau na batasan option PIO dan na polo kawai ten option speaker. O ngay sa pagmamay latu sinti ayaliyo at kar maban saksakara kuchon way out of an wrong watch. Pwede iban batch-batchonin lang amawat imenchi yang biyay chungal sakaran kay boni. Wow o kapung bang kukuranan nila sama chay coach chungal sakaran kay boni o wow lak bang kukuranan raksoko and Pohnpei wow lak bang kukuran isanangkan ko tachawan wow kisabal mankan ko nanalang ko nankan ye ko wow chorot to kasabal machay kapnayan buin Pohnpei the Honorable Stephenson Joseph Karyawan Kabina Honorable Francisco L. Yuanes Speaker and Queen ng Kawatako sa net kaysa kawan buin Pohnpei, the Honorable Marvin T. Yamaguchi, o Yamamoy Honorable Senator Scan Coros. Sa kong labalapan buin Pohnpei, the Honorable Nelson Joseph, o Yamamoy sa kong Kan Coros. Labalap kay di Kan Coros ng pediyan siya, mumotso o government. Chungal wow and kaplelem chon buin Pohnpei yung sama chanan kalan len mas dengan kalan watch rakach o paros pachanan program watch nisen waru parang kau ria ketri sa payo sapol machay puinan kawatak posanet kaysa pewan buin Pohnpei kachawan perchangata rai chungal buya na malam kasantik kayo and nantiyan tatok watch kulok asak ni maisam nan wasan buya na malam pelabalak ng kolonya Wasalabalak isipao nan markian buin matelanim. Wasalabalak pot lebenech nan markian buin nech. Isanangkan matelanim, isanangkan en buin nech. All lekan kadagal magkachti o maletu mol nan ran kayo en uyalamalam watch. Kachabaan kupur ye Israel Senator elect Kan Coros o John buin Pohnpei ngatar. Nan ran kayo watch sa pagmachay speaker and deputy the pro tempore speaker, the Honorable Steve Catwin, may bachawan rachangata wiyalamalam watch, o kamuwe lolo rachangata, Samwan Baron Mitiyon Chinet, General Secretary and UCCP, Senior Pastor and Momotso Noah. Eri, apweto ran watch ya ran kayuan wiyalamalam kasanti, kayuan nanti and tatok watch, Irariyaw me ekwanan balo kayo and ran and wiyalamalam watch. Iraralap kayo yay alalta men kawait the rules of procedures memiyaya and kakwiya men kawait and tato o irawatch alalta. Iraralap karyaw yay ititan Prudential Committee the committee yu meban chair kaninay irekan o kasantikan mebang kawai tata na iray mausustarkan kap moteti teso. Sansan mesapon machay speaker and Lebanon so the pro tempore speaker the Honorable Steve Catwin. Tachuan itiata iray melimen puen chowa kam tika sampal watch. Riyech maran iray chon kam to watch. Senator-elect Macarmichael Chairman, Senator-elect Atsanat Ram Member, Senator-elect Wilfred Edmond Member, Senator-elect Tentiti Louis Member, o Senator-elect Edgar Leganet Member. Nukulak isap ministry isap limang taulin may isang watch, kachtuwa chap kachta koran kap kache mo maleti joint inauguration and kabina Karyang Kabina o Iraq Senators kan nan Chimen COMFSM Talagur nan Wayne Sopes. Nukulak Karyang Ministry sa limang tauli mo rin sa was, kachtuwa sa apil sa kaliyan nan wasan wiyalamalam peragalak Polonia, po Iraq Senator-elect kan and kakgaw sa raichungan pukaw kasantikan and nan ran kayo and wiyalamalam kasanti and tiyan tatawaj. O tachuan kaula na rin chungat pugokan. Irakayo may akon nan kalikarya watch ten. Wiyalamalan mo rin sa was watch yay watch, some committee and credential. Sansan Mohammed and Ropoch Watch, Irai Senator Electriac Suleiman Koros Kap Kamotitinan Puko, Mearai Chungan Boy Kan Kukurekan Rider. Iragariaw Yay Kaulan Puko. Sansan Member Riak Riamen, Mebacho Waner Kaulan and Ran Gayu Watch. O MN member mesocha pacheng tatok wat sam niya pachanan way na way puweko kapinsale. Sansan pan kupurang watch me. Associate Judge Honorable Robert Nakasane me baki pukon kaula watch. Kayong saklaan ire, nanran kayo watch yay ititan right officers kan and puinan kawatakosanet kay sa kayo anwen Pohnpei. Medan sansan pa yay right officers kan o John Ewell Committee kan. Speaker, pensabal na siya po yung kawata ko sa net. Kaysa kayo yay the Honorable Marvin T. Yamaguchi. Vice Speaker, Honorable Makaru Michael o Floor Leader, Honorable Atsanaya Brown. Yet committee kan o Chowe kan. Committee on Education, Senator Mitaro Aismina, Mawia Chairman, Senator Dionisio E. Simon, Vice Chairman, Senator Atsan A. Abraham, Member, Senator Wilfred H. Edmond, Member, Senator Aurelio P. Chowak, Member, Senator Tendi Teswalui, Member, Senator Makaru Michael, Member, Senator Evelyn S. Mofic, Member, or Senator Sheldon G. Net, Member. Committee on Environment and Climate Relations, Senator Isaac Artwood, Chairman, Senator Benjamin H. Ludwig, Vice Chairman, Senator Atsan A. Abraham, Member, Senator Aurelio P. Chowak, Member, Senator Alfred San Ladora, Member, Senator Tenny L. Leben, Member, Senator Edgar W. Leganet, Member, Senator Tendi Teswalui, Member, or Senator Evelyn Mofic, Member. Committee on Finance, Deputy and Moni, Senator Ricky Cord, Chairman, Senator Francisco Simrang, Vice Chairman, Senator Kikuo Apis Jr., Member, Senator Sonster A. Edgar, Member, Senator Wilfred H. Edmond, Member, Senator Bill E. Edward, Member, Senator Stevie K. Edwin, Member, Senator Tenny L. Leben, Member, Senator Edgar W. Leganet, Member, Senator Benjamin H. Ludwig, Member, or Senator Makaru Michael, Member. Committee on Health, Terosan Mao. Senator Sheldon G. Net, Chairman, Senator Tendi Teswalui, Vice Chairman, Senator Atsan A. Abraham, Member, Senator Dionisio E. Simon, Member, Senator Ricky Cord, Member, Senator Wilfred H. Edmond, Member, Senator Bill E. Edward, Member, Senator Alfred San Ladora, Member, or Senator Edgar W. Leganet, Member. Committee in JNCO, the Judiciary and Governmental Operations, Senator Nelbert A. Perez, Chairman, Senator Edgar W. Leganet, Vice Chairman, Senator Isaac Artwood, Member, Senator Ricky Cord, Member, Senator Bill E. Edward, Member, Senator Steve K. Edwin, Member, Senator Aurelio P. Chowak, Member, Senator Makaru Michael, Member, or Senator Mitaro Aismina, Member. Committee on Land, the South, Senator Alfred San Ladora, Chairman, Senator Wilfred H. Edmond, Vice Chairman, Senator Kikuo Apis Jr., Member, Senator Isaac Artwood, Member, Senator Ricky Cord, Member, Senator Sonster A. Edgar, Member, Senator Steve A. Edwin, Member, Senator Dionisio E. Simon, Member, or Senator Mitaro I. Simina, Member. Committee on Public Work, Transportation and Communication. Senator Tenny L. Lepen, Chairman. Senator Aurelio P. Chua, Vice Chairman. Senator Isaac Whiteway, Member. Senator Bill E. Edward, Member. Senator Alfredson Latorre, Member. Senator Eroline S. Moffett, Member. Senator Nelbert A. Perez, Member. Senator Kikwo Atis Jr., Member. Or Senator Francisco Simram, Member. Committee on R&D, Resources and Development. Senator Bill E. Edward, Chairman. Senator Steve A. Edwin, Vice Chairman. Senator Solskjaer A. Edgar, Member. Senator Tenny L. Lepen, Member. Senator Benjamin H. Ludwig, Member. Senator Sheldon G. Ned, Member. Senator Nelbert A. Perez, Member. Senator Dionysius E. Simon, Member. Or Senator Francisco Simram, Member. Committee on SSCT and HP, Social Services, Cultures, Traditional and Historic Preservation. Senator Solskjaer A. Edgar, Chairman. Senator Kikwo Atis Jr., Vice Chairman. Senator Atsana A. Abraham, Member. Senator Tendit Teswolui, Member. Senator Benjamin H. Ludwig, Member. Senator Makaro Mikael, Member. Senator Eroline S. Moffett, Member. Senator Nelbert A. Perez, Member. Or Senator Mitaro I. Simina, Member. Monran kasampal wachepanim sa class. Speaker Yamam Chupachawan Theater, Right Honorable Senator Limmen, Pohnpei Chair, Rules and Procedure, and Pohnpei State Legislature, or Ropochto Momotun sa Kwat Sochapan Pantasang Ran Limao. Ariech iti Tan Limmen. Senator Perez, Chairman. Senator Mikael, Member. Senator Abraham, Member. Senator Coyle, Member. Or Senator Edgar, Member. Speaker Yamang Chupilto Laro iti Honorable Senator Silimen. Porankap pukoki o wewalan kapna. Napuinan kawata ko sa net kay sa kweo kacho yang ernan aray chungal chiyabena pasanto kayo. Iti tan Silimen watch kay Senator Isaac Whiteway, Chairman. Senator Wilfred Edmond, Member. O Senator Benjamin Ludwig, Member. Kachtiyan ranwa siya kachtan pangkupuran dawlawan rochang itisang Juan Parontes, Senator Perez. O komatisang Uyalamalang Kulok Limawalat Ninsawchik. Nisan wariya isa kayo, parang kaunoriya kutriya isa tayo. Sakol machay speakeran puinong ko sa net kay sa kawan buwan Pohnpei, the Honorable Marvin T. Yamaguchi, Pilchungalan Kiyaran sa umaw o kasamo, President and PIDP, the Pacific Islands Development Bank, o Echungal Staff Kan, Nanwasan Uyalamalam and Speaker's Office. Tachang Speaker Yamaguchinan, Chupa na kasampal watchay Floor Leader Abraham, Senator Ricky Coyle, Legal Counsel Thomas Buckman, o John Tatong Kanan ng Speaker's Office. President Madam Lindsay M. Timarong, Tachowan Waliantiak iyo achmal staff kan o 12 aray chmal ranmaw and payamaw o wow ong pinan kawata ko sa net kaysa kay Wanwin Pohnpei. E apiltola o kapese pasantin tatokan me paluwach sosopay o katete merawtang kasik Pohnpei State Legislature and kapkachayang tatok pokach. Nisten wariya sa kriyaw, parang kaunoriya putriya sa tayo. Sapol machay puinong koko sa net kay sa kayo, pachawan siya lang. Ngayon nan ran kalimaw ay naray chumal wiya lamalang pasantik kayo, nan wasan wiya lamalang pelabalap ng kolonya. Sapol machay Speaker, the Honorable Marvin T. Yamaguchi, me pachawon ruchungatar wiela malamwach o pachawon kamuwe lowlowan ruchungata San Baron te Senator ne. Puedo momot wache chungalen ki year quorum ayen sensen me reoralak silu me apol nan wiela malamwach. Reoralak kayu ye watepen o alaltan chernel and ran kayu and wiela malamkosan tuwach. O sensen me rawach alaltar sa momotun sap and puinung kawata ko sa net kay sa kayo and buin Pohnpei. Reoralak karyaw ye special committee report. Sensen me pan reoralak watch report yo memiye ye special committee report nampe eo lebnyal riyesak payo. Me report sang special committee teiti tansilmen me pukaku wewalan sa kulmachay kapna and win Pohnpei. Me Senator Isaac Ordu kachawan wiya chairman. O sensen me report watch pil alaltar sa momotun sa watch. Kayong sa plan ireoralap ye irechoror. Pan ireoralap watch sensen me ireriyaw me pasa me irechoror kan me sensen nan wiya lamalam watch. Iran kapung. Sensen me waliye kan koros ngalen pian sumau. O puse aral kapung ong chonaray chumal buhay kan. O kapung ong legislator kaysa kayo. Are ye Iran pagpang kan. Tani rawach pagpag chocha makaptalong. O ye me pansansan pa. Kayo sang Vice Speaker Honorable Weeket. Speaker and kak itiyata special committee po and kak ewang perian executive or rob o apali apolen pil memiyer nan wen Pohnpei and so watch. Yet chowakan and committee choro watch. Senator Ne Chairman, Senator Simina Member, Senator Lepen Member, Vice Speaker Weeket Member o floor leader Akran member. Vice Speaker Weeket piltola o kaptalong pagpen karirilan kamti mapukopi and check rules and procedure o irawach pil alaltar. Karyaw sang Senator Lekanet. Kamiti choror watch makukutar and kapchanan takan dugan Pohnpei kan o apolen pil. Kasilu sang Senator Redmond, Speaker ang kakche kata epolpen o wiepen kaula o waliepen winnet Senator-elect Mike Leola. Kabayo sang Senator Louis. Kamangpen 30% share o local government kan and kak kamatang puen kak yang sawase epolen pil and nanway kan. Kalimaw sang Senator Edward, tengkun pil laut kan and kakachochola. Kayong sa sang Senator Mofik, Committee on Finance and Kak-Chair o sa kamawiyala Pohnpei State Scholarship. Irawach makan sa krachoror kan. Speaker Yamangchi at Pachawan Waliantier momotun sa watch o sa kakita right mal sa karatan katungtang kukuran na raksoko and Pohnpei yu, John Wayne Pohnpei yu sa o kaya kuya na malang watch kulaw kay sa kriyaw minich limang taulinin sa was. Ang na-check out ng Rongen Weeket ng Legislature o sa pilpagpagitya o lukluka kupurakan koros o nan out ng Rongen may pampachotong mo. Kalangan o kaselelya.